Welcome children in bio class. Now you have to study mechanism of DNA replication. Replication of DNA molecule is a complex multi-step process. Each step of replication of DNA is controlled by a specific enzyme. The mechanism of DNA replication is completed in many steps. The first step of DNA replication is origination of replication. Second step is unwinding of DNA molecule or separation of two strands of DNA molecule. Third is formation of RNA primer. Fourth is synthesis of new complementary strand. And fifth is proofreading and DNA repair. So first step in the mechanism of DNA replication is origination of replication. So or origin of replication. Replication begins at the initiation site. The initiation site is called origin. There are number of specific points called initiation points from where replication of DNA begins. As the replication proceeds, eventually the replication forks merge into each other and the DNA molecule is replicated. Second step is unwinding of DNA molecule or separation of two strands of DNA molecule. So the enzymes called helicases unwind or separate the two strands. It involves breaking the hydrogen bonds present between the nitrogenous bases. The enzyme topoisomerase cut and reseal one strand of DNA, thus helping in separation of intertwined strands of long DNA molecule. Next is formation of RNA primer. An RNA primer is a short segment of RNA nucleotide. It is formed at the DNA template before replication begins. It is like putting a knot at the DNA at the end of the thread before you make a string of pearls. Formation of the complementary DNA strand cannot begin without the formation of an RNA primer. Now next step is synthesis of new complementary strand. After the formation of RNA primer, new nucleotides are added with the help of enzyme DNA polymerase. A new complementary strand of DNA is formed. The replication proceeds from the 5' to 3' direction, only in the new DNA strand. And the DNA polymerase can add nucleotide in 5 to 3 direction only, since the two strands DNA are in opposite direction, that are anti-parallel. Last step is proofreading and DNA repair. During DNA replication, accuracy of base pairing is essential. So it is rectified by removing the wrong base and replacing the correct one by repair enzymes. So in this way, mechanism of DNA replication is completed. So children, I told the different events which are taking place in the DNA replication. In that you have to keep in mind, first is origination of replication, second is unwinding of DNA molecule, third is formation of RNA primer, fourth is synthesis of new complementary strand, and last is proofreading and DNA repair.